Okay guys, let me show you how to activate the new data table node on the Docker. You see, I'm on localhost here because now it's only on the beta version, on the cloud version, so it's not on Docker. So we'll use a trick to have this node here, because if you type here data table, you see it don't exist. So you'll use a trick to make it run. So you run this command, docker run, and this command. So the parameter name beta tutorial, this is the container name, the port to access, the local folder for persistent data, enable authentication, the demo username, the demo password, and this command will enable the data table beta node on the Docker image. Okay, after you use this command that you'll type in command prompt, there's this command you'll run on the command prompt. Okay. After you run this, you'll open your browser and go to the local host, that is this on your Docker. On the username, you completed your username and password. And also you need to create a JSON file with this code. You see the type is based on data table. And from there, you'll insert the node there and you'll have the data table node. So let's show you. You see you have here import from file. You access import from file, and with the file you will import the JSON file node, that is the data table. I will put you the command and the JSON file to activate it also on your local host. Okay guys, thank you for your attention, and see you in next video. Bye bye.